Hi, this is Nishan and I welcome you all back to your own channel, right? आज मैं उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ जो कि as a man, as a dude, as a gentleman, you should not be doing. तुम्हें ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं करनी चाहिए, right? Why I'm telling you this? Because बहुत सारी videos हैं in the market that you should be doing this, तुम्हें ये चीज़ें करनी चाहिए या फिर ये चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, but बहुत कम ऐसी videos हैं जहाँ people are teaching you that you should not be doing these things. और ये चीज़ें बहुत important है जानना. Why? Because as a man, as a gentleman, अगर तुम ये चीज़ें कर रहे हो in every day of your life, that means that इसके consequences बहुत खराब होने वाले हैं on your life. And for the people around you as well, जो लोग हैं तुम्हारे साथ, उनके लिए भी काफ़ी खराब experiences होने वाले हैं. So let's quickly jump into it and I'm going to tell you those 10 things as a guy, as a man, you should never do. So the first thing a man should never do is breaking their own promises. Yes. अगर तुमने कोई चीज़ किसी को promise की है, make sure you're doing and you're keeping that promise. Yes. बहुत dudes की mistakes होती है that, you know, at the present वो किसी को खुश करने के लिए बोल तो देते हैं that, you know, I can do this or I'll do that. But the thing is that eventually बाद में जाके वो चीज़ वो नहीं कर पाते, वो promise वो नहीं पूरा कर पाते, and then उनकी जो genuinity है और credibility है वो गिरती है, right? There's an old saying that be the men of your words. Yes. So whenever you have promised someone कि तुम ये चीज़ कर दोगे, it should be a yes, then it should be a yes, right? And always say, you know, yes when you are comfortable, yeah? The thing is right this, because अगर कोई चीज़ तुम नहीं कर पाओगे at the end, you know, if you can't make that promise, then your own credibility, your own genuinity will suffer, right? So make sure कि तुम उन्हीं चीज़ों के लिए promise कर रहे हो जो कि तुम कर सकते हो. Second thing as a man you should never do is greeting someone while looking somewhere else. I don't know, ये सबसे बड़ी disrespect है for that person जिससे तुम मिल रहे हो, right? अगर तुम किसी से मिल रहे हो, you're having a handshake, always see directly to the eye to that person, yes? Or, you know, अगर तुम ये चीज़ कर रहे हो that, you know, you're shaking hand with somebody or you're looking away somewhere else, that means you're selfish. That means तुम्हारे लिए तुम्हारा कोई interest नहीं है in meeting that person, right? So always remember one thing, that whenever you're meeting someone, always look into their eyes, right? Then make them feel that they are important to you. Third thing a man should not do is sharing too much information. Yes. अगर तुम किसी सोशल गैदरिंग में हो, अगर तुम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो और तुम बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें शेयर कर रहे हो अपने बारे में, that's going to harm you, right? People will not be liking you at all. बहुत dudes और बहुत men को ये लगता है that, you know, अगर वो बहुत चीज़ें शेयर करेंगे अपने बारे में, you know, whether their sex life or about how much money they earn or, you know, how many dates they have been with, or whatever. So, you know, people will like you, but actually they are making fool out of themselves. हमेशा एक बात ध्यान रखना that if you're sharing too much, if you तुम अपने पूरे के पूरे पत्ते एक ही बारी में खेल दोगे, so what is the mysterious thing about yours? You know, people will already know you that, okay, this guy have everything. I mean, इसकी पूरी खुली किताब हमारे सामने है, so हमें कुछ नहीं जानना इसके बारे में. So make sure that when you are, you know, sharing something, keep asking questions. सामने वाले से ज़्यादा questions पूछो, right? And, you know, try to get their things into your mind. So the fourth thing you should not do as a man is scrolling your phone while talking to someone. Oh, right. No. मैंने नहीं सुना इसके बारे में, sorry यार. Okay. See? How bad this is looking. Yes, so always remember, जब तुम किसी से बात कर रहे हो, always make sure that you are making an eye contact with that person. You are not using of any of your phones and any devices, right? जब तुम scroll करते हो चीज़ें while talking to someone, that shows a really big disrespect for that person. कोई भी हो, either it is from your family, it is from your friend circle, or an adult, or a kid, anyone. You know, always make sure जब तुम किसी से बात कर रहे हो, never scroll down your social media, right? Because that shows कि तुम उस social media में ज़्यादा importance रख रहे हो than that conversation. Yes, so make sure whenever you're talking to someone, always see and look on their eyes. So the fifth thing you should not be doing as a man is calling someone and texting someone at night. अच्छा भाई सो रहा था? ओह सॉरी यार मैंने डिस्टर्ब कर दिया देखो। अच्छा वो तेरी ब्लैक शर्ट है ना यार, वो चाहिए थी पार्टी के लिए। या I mean, can you imagine, yes, कोई रात में, you know, whatever they're doing in their beds, we never know, right? Always make sure कि तुम सामने वाले की privacy को respect कर रहे हो, right? Suppose say, you know, you are sleeping and I'm calling you at 10, you know, hey, I mean, you know, nobody likes it, yeah? So make sure कि जब भी तुम call कर रहे हो या किसी को text कर रहे हो, always make sure that that person is actually in that sense of time जिसमें वो actually तुम्हारा call pick कर सकता है, right? In the evenings or in the mornings, right? Never call after 9 or, you know, 10, 11 or whatever, you know, in midnight, because that's always shows that you are thinking about yourself. तुम अपने बारे में सोच रहे हो और सामने वाले की privacy के बारे में बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोच रहे। The sixth thing you should not be doing as a man, and I don't know मैं कैसे बोलूँ ये चीज़ because this is pretty much explained already, is picking your nose in public. Hey, what's up? Now many dudes make this mistake in public, जो कि है picking their nose, right? Again, if you're doing such things in the public, कोई भी तुमसे हाथ मिलाने से पहले 5 बार सोचेगा, right? Because, you know, if you are somewhere and, you know, you see me or I'm picking my nose, क्या मुझसे handshake करना चाहोगे? No, of course not, right? It's not good for them also, right? And it's not good for you also. Why? Because you're, again, you know, inviting so many of germs and bacteria और फिर तुम, you know, touch करोगे अपनी चीज़ों को और अपने phone को. So always make sure that, you know, whenever you have something on your nose, go to a toilet, take a tissue, blow everything out, and clean yourself. That's the way it is, right? It is not a thing to do in a public. Eighth thing as a man you should never do, and that's an important one, is disrespecting your mother, your sister, and the women in your life. Or maybe you abuse her. बहुत सारे men और dudes को ये लगता है that, you know, if they disrespect a woman or abuse a woman, they are manly enough. वो बहुत ही बड़े मर्द हैं. Actually, you're a coward. Yes. You know, even in a marriage, you know, there's a game of 2 people. Yes. And if she have done something wrong, then there's a way to tell her. Yeah. एक way होता है हर चीज़ का. And if you're not trying that way, if you're doing something else, that means you are a coward. Yeah. So make sure that you are treating all the women around you with equal respect. Why? Because they are also human at last. Ninth thing you should not be doing as a man is scratching your balls in public. और राहुल भाई कैसे हैं? बढ़िया? What the fuck? Dude, this is something which is so looking bad, right? You know, when you're scratching your balls, अगर तुम्हें कोई problem है down in your testicles, you know, go see a doctor, yes? Or maybe apply some cream, or maybe, you know, just you know, keep yourself clean down there. But make sure that, you know, public के अंदर you're not scratching your balls. That looks so weird, yes, and even disrespectful for most of the people, that you're touching your private part in public. And बहुत जो dudes हैं उनको ये manly चीज़ भी लगती है. So never do this mistake. Never scratch your balls in the public. The 10th and final thing you should not be doing as a man is never settle on 99%. I don't know, बहुत सारे dudes आजकल lazy बनते जा रहे हैं, right? I mean, they don't want to do things. They are just okay with the things. Like, it's okay. It's fine. It's good. Why you have to settle with okay when you can do the best? Yes, always make sure that you're giving your 100% in everything, whatever it is. It's your job, it's your exam, it's, you know, the women you're chasing, whatever it is, right? I am here, you know, I was not able to talk to the camera as well. मैं कैमरे से कभी बात करने का सोचे कैमरे के सामने जाने से भी I was being afraid. But now I'm here, yes, overcoming my fears and doing something every day to make somebody's life even better. My life's even better. Yes, I'm doing a job, I'm doing YouTube, and I'm just managing it. Yes, I don't want to settle down. As a man, I don't want to bring myself to the limit. I just always want to give 100%. Be a great dad, be a great son, be a great brother, be a great friend, be a great husband, and at last be a great man, because that's what all matters. And one last thing I want to tell you, that you don't have to just educate your mind only, but you have to educate your heart also, right? सिर्फ एजुकेशन ही इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है. अगर तुम्हारे पास एजुकेशन है और तुम्हारे पास वैल्यूज ही नहीं है, it's not an education, you're not a man then, right? So make sure that if you're educating yourself every day, you're also educating your heart as well. Mind and heart will go together and you'll be the best man, I will tell you.